Hello guys, so today we'll be comparing the three most known cloud providers out there, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. First up we have AWS. AWS is it's like the most reliable and old friend that you guys have. It has a bunch of services that they provide like a compute. They have storage, they have the networking, they have serverless, they have a bunch of services that you can use. Next is Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure is like the friend that you have that will be trying always to copy you, who will be always try to one-up you every time he can. It also has like a bunch of services. It has over 1,000 services that they provide. Compute, they provide storage, they provide also serverless solutions and machine learning. They also provide analytics solutions. One key benefit that they have is that they provide a connection to the Office 365 solution that you already have. We'll be able to link the Office 365 services with the Azure services. And Google Cloud is like the cool kid. It like the others. It provides lots of compute services. It provides the storage, also the analytics, and integrate with TensorFlow and provide services like AutoML. So aside from the benefits, we have downsides for every cloud that you might choose. Honestly, AWS, from all of them, they are very complex. The complexity, it's not easy for people that will start fresh. So if you are a new joiner, if you are new to the cloud ecosystem, maybe we will have some difficulty to understand. And also the certifications are much more difficult on AWS than the other clouds. Regarding Azure, one of the downsides of Azure is the stability. Very often you see services that they provide that are being deprecated, and then you have to refactor your services and your applications to try to accommodate changes that they made on their side. And also the support that they give is not so proficient and so good compared to AWS. Regarding Google services, Google Cloud, they are more expensive than the other clouds, and also that the DNS services are slower than Cloudflare. So keep that in mind if you are going to, if you plan to use those clouds. So those are the key benefits and disadvantages of the different clouds.